Hello, in this video I'm gonna perform a short fingerprint sensor speed test on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the fingerprint sensor is located in the middle at the bottom of the screen over here, and I have set up my thumb as a finger that I want to use in order to unlock the screen. So of course we don't really have to highlight the lock screen. Even if the screen is completely turned off, then we can still press and hold the thumb. So let's perform the let's use the fingerprint sensor. One more time, and there we go. It unlocks pretty quickly. Sometimes you might not be recognized. I mean, your finger might not be recognized, of course. So keep in mind that you should always try to set up the fingerprint as properly as possible from different angles. So as you can see, it works quite fast. Unless, of course, you use the wrong angle. But overall, I would say it works really well. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.